What if I told you AI can now design objects that actually work in the real world? Navies are building fleets of 3D printed uncrewed boats, and scientists just 3D printed metal in space? This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. At MIT, Faraz Faruqi and a team from Google, Stability AI, and Northeastern built MechStyle, a generative AI tool that doesn't just make cool designs. It checks if they'll hold up in real life. Upload a model, choose a material, guide the AI with text or images, and it simulates strength using finite element analysis. You can print personalized items or assistive tech, knowing they'll survive everyday use. Over in defense, ASTM International is working with NATO to standardize unmanned surface vehicles, while the Netherlands Marine tested its 3D printed Sea-Rush USV. Printed in under a week, it runs on a Honda engine and can work alongside crewed ships. This is scalable, affordable naval tech designed to solve labor shortages and increase operational readiness. And in space, Chinese scientists printed metal components in microgravity aboard the Lihong-1 Y-1 vehicle. This mission proved in orbit, metal 3D printing is possible and practical for future space manufacturing. Finally, quantum sensors are getting a boost thanks to 3D printed titanium surfaces that remove nuisance particles in vacuum systems, making cutting-edge tech more portable. From AI-validated design to autonomous naval vessels, space manufacturing, and portable quantum sensors, 3D printing is reshaping multiple industries. If you want to stay ahead of these breakthroughs, hit like, subscribe, comment which tech excites you most, and don't forget to watch the related video in the corner. Don't wait, innovate with 3D printing today.